Hello traders and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the Signalspro007 Expert Advisor for MetaTrader 4. This is marketed as a strong trend following robot that aims for daily profits with a mixture of trending indicators. The claims sound clean, but the real mechanics include recovery logic that changes the risk profile completely. We're going to get into details in this video, so ensure you watch to the end to get the full picture. But before we dive into this Signalspro007, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can get it for free 100% by using the link in the description below. So it's totally worth it. Ensure you check it out. Now let's talk about the Signals Pro 007 Expert Advisor for MetaTrader 4. According to the official site, this is based on strong current trend following strategy. It's actually built on with a mixture of many trending indicators to catch the dominant direction and deliver big green pips while keeping risk on the low side. This is what is marketed by the developer, and the developer positions it as a fully automatic solution that removes the stress of manual trading and can run 24/7 on VPS. It is optimized for Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, and GBP JPY. Although they say it can work on other pairs. The big selling point is consistent daily 5%. Consistent performance, they talk about it up to 5% a day, but we know how the market is. Nothing is ever consistently coming 5% every day. There's no guarantee to that. So this is just marketing at best. And the idea that following the strong trend keeps the risk under control. Yeah, but sometimes trends can also reverse. So you should be careful. All of these are mainly claims at best. This is it. Strong analysis strategy will make you 5% on a daily basis. Now you should understand that this is just a claim and there is no guarantee in Forex trading. So nothing's going to make you 5% every day, every blessed day. So you should be careful with this marketing uh language here. They have their paid Telegram alerts, and the expert advisor goes for $149 for a yearly access, and for lifetime access just $300. For monthly it's about $49, but they're going to be sending you the alerts on Telegram. And also they have this free Telegram that you can see results from the developer himself. Let's open that Telegram. Now, you should know that there's no demo available for me to run my own independent tests. So we are working from the developer's claims and what order we're working up based on the developer's claims. Oh, the user doesn't even exist anymore. All right. So this is it. The developer doesn't exist on Telegram, and he is promising 5% on a daily basis. This is not a green flag. All we have left to work with is the developer's claims and what other traders have reported. They also promise strong daily returns, low risk, true trend following. All of these are basically marketing, and multiple independent sources and user comments described EA as using a Martingale recovery system. So results of any kind are based off historical performance and can differ depending on market conditions and the position size or risk settings used. Now, you should know that You should know that trend plus martingale systems can look excellent when the market trends and the recovery trades work. And when the market ranges or reverses hard, the increasing lot sizes create the classic deep drawdowns these systems are known for. And when you hear that an expert advisor uses martingale, you should be careful, because the same way it can amplify your profits is also the same way it can amplify your losses. So you should be careful when using martingale systems. And from user comments, the Signalspro007 uses Martingale, and claimed it was launched in 2018 as a Forex signal website until it developed into its own expert advisor to just work automatically for MetaTrader 4. This is all on the developer's website. There's no much here. There's not much to see here. There's not much on their page for you to see. So that's all we get for the Signals Pro 007. And they have this image showing some signals, live signals. You can see, I'd like to zoom in on this. Looking at this, you can see total trades taken is 938, and worst trades about over $4,000. Can see floating profit of negative 565,676 US dollars. And they're showing this straight equity curve, showing that maybe the expert advisor is working well. But from all that I've seen, and also the developers' inactiveness on Telegram, we just checked. Let me show you that again. This is it on Telegram. Trying to check for the developer, but you can see user does not exist. That is not good. That is not good at all. That's not good in any way. But this image shows a straight equity curve to the upside, but it's not something we can fully trust considering the developer's lack of transparency. Now, this EA averages into losing positions, like I've said, and multiplies risk the longer the market moves against it. In practice, this means you need plenty of free margin, a good broker, and the stomach for floating drawdowns. My verdict for this expert advisor is that it's a trend following system, like they claim, that also relies on martingale recovery. It can suit experienced traders who understand and accept that risk. Avoid it if you need strict capital protection or you dislike recovery logic. But so far, so good with all that we've seen and with all their claims. It's not really adding up, considering the fact that we can't see the developer on Telegram, and also we do not have any tangible live results to hold on to hold this expert advisor up to that standard. So I don't really advise to go with this. But like this video if this real test help you out, subscribe and turn on notifications for more honest expert advisor reviews like this one. Drop a comment below which expert advisor you want me to test next, and we'll get into it. And don't forget to grab that free Forex robot in the description below. Trade safe everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.